Time for a little update on the twin engine Jeep. Just getting back into working on it. And it's a plumbing job. That's going to be the biggest challenge with this, is it's just two of everything. So I'm working on the cooling system, getting to where I can drive it around the yard, and it's time for some exhaust work as well. I decided to go with Dynovox. They have a lot of stuff for diesel products or diesel trucks for intakes and deletes and all that stuff, but a lot of people ask me where I get my stainless tubing from, and these guys actually are a really good supplier if you just want to make custom DIY exhaust. So this is going to get 2.5-inch stainless, so there'll be some sort of collector for both of them with smaller pipe, and that's going to go into 2.5. And either right out the back or maybe do something cool out the side here. Haven't really decided yet, but let's pop this box open and see what's inside. For both the TDI swap and the rotary swap, I made custom stainless exhausts. I just found it was cheaper in the long run, and I only have to do it once if you use stainless, to just buy the bare pipe and, you know, some flex joints, some V-bands, and whatever muffler you want, and do it that way rather than buying a system that needs a bunch of modification. Just start it right from the get-go, make it exactly how you want. And the Dynovox, they just sell this this kind of universal kit, so you'll get all your pieces. So one end is expanded to accept the other end, so you can really just slide all these together. You know, I like to use V-bands, so I don't use all of these, but so I'll weld a V-band or V-flange on there. So they come with two 90s, two 180s like this, two 45s, like that. These are nice for tail pipe sections where they'll exit, and two 48-inch straights. So with this arrangement, you can really make pretty much any system you want. So especially on these short Jeeps, you got more than enough to do everything. Oh, they have cutouts. We might need some cutouts for this thing. They have full catback systems and EGR deletes, all kinds of things like that. So I'll put a link in the description to if you want to get your own. If you have a 6.4 or 6.7 or something newer in the diesel realm, they have lots of stuff for that. So and there is a code. I'll put it up here. So I've got lots of work to do. I want to show you this. It's good stuff, and I'll kind of give you an update once I actually get to welding it together on the Jeep. There's the update. All I've really done to it lately is finally got around to mounting the radiator and getting that hooked up. This was a CJ5 frame, so the radiator would have mounted in the grill, which would have mounted out here. So obviously nothing on this is stock. So I had to get a little creative, do some fabrication, which is expected. So got the radiator mounted, now I'm plumbing everything together. So that's where we're at. Hopefully have this thing running. So I wanted to get the radiator, so coolant system, exhaust, steering, and brakes are the top priority, so that we can drive this thing around and play with it. I know there's going to be a lot of controversy over the cooling system, and that's what it's all about, just trying different things and doing experiments and seeing how it works. So I have done a lot of research, and I have my own idea of what's happening here, but I'm sure you guys will too, and we're going to find out together how all this works. Stay tuned for more updates. Catch you later.